In this video, we're going to go over some bullish recap from ClearCryptos that just launched a couple of days ago. And we're going to go over a couple of things here to educate you and also entertain you with ClearCryptos and more. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's here, and this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and dive into some of this content. Now, on October 19th, ClearCryptos swap and the project was launched so people could now invest in ClearCryptos. Now, the swap I was really excited about because this was very easy process when swapping from one token to another token. I went through the process, and I want to tell you, this thing was really easy to go through, very simple, very easy, and very easy to understand for new and existing investors. So I really like that as well. So the swap is live, so check it out as well. Now, other things we have here, we also have more content coming from our YouTube channel. We have a team of actual content creators that producing content on an everyday basis. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, and don't forget to like them as well. Now, this past weekend, ClearCryptos was representing, you see that car number 5 in a Homestead Miami Speedway. So ClearCryptos is everywhere, especially on the racetrack, Daytona Speedway, Talladega Speedway, and then now the Homestead Miami Speedway this past weekend, representing there as well. Now, more things I want to tell you. So here's the thing, look at this. In the future, we'll implement a tier structure based on the number of tokens you own, where you can get anywhere from, look at this, 25 to 100% off ClearCryptos swap fees. So ClearCryptos is listening to the community and they're doing something in the space, not only to make things safe and secure, but rewarding you as well. So I love this to see this. Now, ClearCryptos is proud to announce the first utility for the project. So that means if you hold any ClearCryptos tokens, the swap fees are slashed by 50%. Now, this is something that I was really excited about the swap, because not only is simple and easy to use, it's also going to save you time and it's going to save you money based off this information here as well. More content is coming out. You notice 2 videos that you saw on this Twitter page. Oscar, this is Oscar. Luxide was the other person as well. T. Hobbs is also part of the team. He kind of chimed in about the ClearCryptos price, because remember, it started out from 2 cents and now is at 5 cents. And it consolidated down a little bit to 4 cents at the recording of this video. But this would tell you the potential of ClearCryptos as you see the chart going up. And in my opinion, in the future, this is just the beginning of ClearCryptos. This is the video about me as well, doing more content on the channel, educating you on a daily basis. The thing about this space is not only is transparency, it's educating people to understand what crypto is all about. The breaking news, the nuance, all the things that goes into ClearCryptos. This channel is probably the best educating platform you're going to get on a normal basis by getting all this as well. This is more photography and photos from Miami, from the actually Homestead Miami racing event. So that's awesome by the team. We got more content from other cryptocurrency on this channel. Like, it's more photos from the racing events, Alpha Prime Racing as well. And as well, if I continue going down the line here, you're going to see more things. Look at this. You got more representation. You got more content. Look at this right here. You got even live action. This is a really good video, by the way, that showed you right down on the racetrack. So that's really good information there. Shout out to Justin Seals. He's also part of the ClearCryptos team, taking a look what's going on and doing a really good job of photographing as well. More content on the channel as well. Look at this. Listen, this is just a recap on this showing for the last 24 hours what's been going on this channel. Not only are you getting content, but you're getting live action on events that ClearCryptos is representing. You got a nice swap that's making things easier, cheaper for the average investors. And you got content and education coming all down here from Alton Hilton. You got Zach Humphreys, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. There's a couple of things that happened just about less than 24 hours ago. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, self-reporting dashboard, stress testing for analytics platform, which is really good. Integration, Luna Crush, listing pending, Ledger listing pending, and of course, have a good weekend because the ClearCryptos was in Homestead. So That is a bullish recap so far on ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The captain's here, and this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.